Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out at least one video a week, giving you guys absolutely free content that's gonna help you guys, whether it's long-term, short-term, just in finance and everything like that. So with that being said, let's jump back to the video. Okay guys, obviously we were in the truck and stuff. The app I want to talk to you guys about, you guys probably already seen it in the thumbnail. The app I believe every single one of my students and everybody should have for market news and managing your positions and everything like that is this app right here at the bottom. It's actually called Seeking Alpha. If a lot of you guys haven't already seen this, I would highly recommend getting it. I don't have the premium, so it pops up this message every time. But when it comes down to this, as you guys can see, just the ones that I'm watching here, let it focus. And why I'm watching these is because these are the ones that I day trade on a normal basis. So those are the ones that, you know, I'm in and out of. And I also have positions, long-term positions, and on 3 out of the 4 of these. So Amazon, Facebook, Roku, and SPY are the 4 that I really day trade a lot, and I watch on a consistent basis. Now, the strategy that I have been using, and it's actually in the course now, is only, and you guys can do that, is I'm only trading for the first hour and a half of the day. Meaning, if you're Eastern Standard Time, it's 9:30 to about 11 a.m. and then I'm done for the day. And then the last hour and a half of the day. So, you know, the market ends at 4, so about 2:30 to 4, you know, right around in that area, looking for it to confirm and everything using the strategy. But you guys, this will send you notifications straight to your phone, so no matter where you're at, if I'm not in front of my computer, if I'm using the restroom while I'm trading, whatever it is, it's highly recommended. You guys can also go down a little bit and it shows you all the news coverages and everything like that. Again, you don't have to read every single one. It really hits the main ones and it stays on your portfolio. So those are just the things. This is just my day trading one. I haven't named mine on here, if you guys can see that. But I know this video is going to be super short. I just wanted to really let you guys know how I do things. Because I always tell you guys, you know, I go to the gym in my Iron City in Houston right now. Getting ready to go into the gym. It's midday. It's 11:18 here, so 12:18 Eastern Standard Time. I don't sit here and watch stocks all day, even when I'm day trading. And I have been day trading a lot more since COVID and everything like that. So right now, I'm going to go to the gym. I'm going to be able to relax. I got a notification, so if anything happens, even though I don't have any positions open for day trades right now, which makes it easier as well, but for those of you that work and actually have positions open while you're at work, being able to see the news happening and stuff like that, like when Amazon released that they're going green and stuff like that the other day, I got a notification for me, and again, their stock rose because of it. But again, right now the market is selling off, so again, I've been getting a lot of alerts for that. But those are just things, guys, that I think they're little things that even if you guys aren't one of my students and you guys don't have my system and you guys don't have my strategy, that even beginners should absolutely have. You know, if you're honing in on 4 and 5 stocks to day trade on, or if you're honing in on 4 and 5 to swing trade on, you know, having that, being able to get the alerts, that way you know that stock so well. You don't have to worry about things. You know what's happening. You're up to date, guys. Being up to date is everything. So with that being said, guys, thank you guys all for watching this video. If you guys want to see what we made today, I'm going to throw another screenshot up on here somewhere for the alerts that I made straight from my day trading strategy, and then I'll probably throw those up at the beginning of the model, or at the beginning of this video too. So with that being said, guys, thank you guys all for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.